Hi folks, thanks for joining me again. I'm Stephen Crone. This is another watercolour demo, and today this is Loch Shin up in the Scottish Highlands. Very quick, loose impression of this waterside scene. So let me show the colours I've used before we go any further. I've used ultramarine, lemon yellow, Payne's grey, alizarin crimson, raw sienna, burnt umber and light red. So I've used all 7 colours plus a little bit of white gouache down there for the boats. Large on Ransonake, 3/4 inch flat brush and a couple of riggers, a number 3 and a size 0. Right then. So let's kick off with a bit of crimson and raw sienna. I'm just going to whack that in as fast as I can, no faffing about. Then I'm going to go into a darker colour now, ultramarine and crimson. Throw a bit of light red in there as well. Bit of Payne's grey into the mix as well, and these will be some darker clouds, something like that. Trying as careful as I can not to sort of muddy everything. Right, distant mountains I can see, mixing a bit of everything together, and we're sort of about here. Trying to keep them level. Something like that. Now what I'm going to do is just try and take a bit of the out, just soften it all off a little bit. Just sort of misty it up a little bit. And then in front of those there are some more. Now these are a bit stronger now, so I'm doing darker colours, not darker colours but darker tones, so a bit more paint, less water, stronger mixes. And this time we're sort of, in fact, tell you what, I'll dry it slightly so it goes on stronger. Not bone dry, but dry that it was, so it goes on stronger, so you get something like that. See the difference now? So that's something like that, and that continues. Along there like that. Once that's that in, and then let's get that flat against there, and what I'm going to do is dry it and then continue coming down into the foreground. Quick dry. do first, if I just grab the flat brush and just level it out a little bit. Almost acts as like a water line as well. I'm just trying to get it level. Something like that. Actually not what I wanted. That's a bit better. Same on this side. Clean the brush dry, get a nice sharp edge and do it again. Might take 3 or 4 goes to get it right. Right in. Now then, coming forward a little bit, let's clean the brush. I'm going to get some of that raw sienna. It's looking a bit sticky there. I hope it is actually. Yeah, look nice and sticky. So I'm going to start off brushing some of that in like that. Giving it a bit of burnt umber as well. Let's darken it all up with a bit of ultramarine. I'm also going to use the flat brush. I do need a new height brush. I can't get a sharp edge with it, so when I need a sharp edge I'm just switching to the flat. It's just a little bit, just something like that. And in front of that, I'm leaving that on there, and I'm just going to start bashing in these trees we can see down there. Just whack them in like that. Push them right up there. Something down there, and in front of there, back to a bit of raw sienna. I could go first. That would be a little bit darker, those trees, so just sort of going to wet a bit better against the light. Going into this foreground field. Something like so. Let's give that a quick dry. Now I want a little yacht on the horizon. I'm just switching to a rigger, size 0. I'm wondering if it's going to be white. I'm just a bit contaminated, this white I got down here, but let's just see how it goes. And I think I'm just going to stick it just about there. Make sure that's dry. Just need to sign my name. Take a little bit of red. I'm just going to sign this one down here. I'll call that one done. Let's stick a mount on that now and see what it looks like. So here's the finished paint with it in the mount. So if we go in and have a closer look at it. Starting with the sky. Various colours, some raw Shin, actually alizarin crimson, there's a bit of light red, ultramarine. Quite a chaotic sky. It's just a case of crash bang wallop, but although it looked as if I was going completely random, I was always trying to get the darks there and the sort of lights down the centre, especially, and you can see the reflection there coming from the lights from the sky. Mix the same colours just to create the distant hills and mountains there. Used a dry, just a damp brush just to create bit of misty sort of effect at the top of the mountains and down the bottom, right at the bottom of the clouds areas. And then dried that. Then put on this darker, slightly closer bit of land, and you can see what I used the dry flat brush just to take out the water line. And then just over there, you can see I just put a little yacht there, just as it gives it a sense of scale and focal points. And then right in front of this light area there, you see what I've placed some really dark tree line just to give that, help with that impression of light coming right through then into the foreground when we've got a bit of raw Shin and light red burnt umber in there as well. So that's my quick impression of Loch Shin up in the Highlands of Scotland. I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks as always for watching. If you do get a chance, join me over on patreon.com/Stephen Cronin. Loads more videos and things over there. So until next time, keep practicing. If you've got any questions, please ask, and I'll see you again soon.